this on a Wednesday and it's really busy in the building, so if there's weird background noises, I'm really sorry. Next time I'll try to record the videos in the evening or on a Saturday or Sunday because it's more quiet then. But for now, just bear with me and suffer through the weird noises that I'm hearing. Hello, it's me again. And I'm back with another video about some equipment. And today I want to talk about one of my favorite things to use in portraits, and that is the Lensbaby Composer Pro with a Sweet 80 Optic. I'll insert some images here so you can see what it does. As you can see, it creates a sweet spot that is in focus, and then everything around that kind of blurs out, and it looks like it kind of gets pulled away, and I think it's a really cool effect in it. I don't know, I just really love it. And for some people, I don't know, maybe it gets gimmicky. Some people are like, oh, why don't you do it in Photoshop? Because I like doing things in camera. I like to play with effects and create something organic and in the moment. And then, sure, I will play with it in Photoshop, but I want, you know, that feeling of, oh wow, I'm creating something cool, I'm doing something different while I'm shooting, and not only afterwards in Photoshop. So that's why I like playing with these things. And I'm gonna switch to the other camera. You can see this is like a tilt shift system. So this is the Composer. And you put this on your camera, and it has a couple of rings. And the first ring, this one here, is to lock and unlock this part. See, now it's locked and I can't move it. Open it again, and I can move it around. And with this, I put this lens in, which I'll show you later. I put this one in, then I can turn this around, and if I twist it up like this, that means the sweet spot will be at the top of my picture. And if I put it in the middle, the sweet spot is going to be in the middle. Well, sorry, my voice just went. So you can control where the sweet spot is with this Composer thing. And I actually have a couple of other lenses that I can put in here. So they have like a bunch of different optics, but this is the one that I reach for the most. So this is the one that I wanted to kind of talk about today. Let me show you first and foremost the Optic itself. So this is it. It's a tiny little thing. Cute little baby. The lens cap. And it has a manual aperture. It goes all the way to 2.8 to 16, and what it also does is when you shoot it on a 2.8, the blur will be a lot more prominent than when you shoot on 16. You put this little dude into this little dude, and you just put it in, line it up, and click, and there it is. But once it's in, you use this ring to manually focus on your subject. So whether you want to shoot still lifes or a model or nature, architecture, whatever, you just point it at the thing you want to photograph, then you twist this ring to find your sweet spot, and then you use this ring to focus on your subject. So let me put it on my camera real quick. Like so. And you can see it's pretty easy to handle. Now I unscrew this ring so it moves around a bunch. And then, okay, I want this as my sweet spot. I lock it. Start focusing on the subject. So in a bit, I've got some creative people coming over and we're going to shoot some portraits. Just gonna have fun. I don't really have a plan. We have some ideas, but nothing concrete, so we're just gonna have fun, you know, play on each other's vibes and see what comes out of it. And then I will be shooting with this lens so you guys can see like what it does, how I work with it, and what the effect is. We'll be filming a bit through this camera with this lens, so you know, with this camera through this lens, so that you can see what it does, like what it looks like when you look through the viewfinder. And you know, that's it. I'm sorry if this intro felt a bit awkward or boring. I'm just noticing how really tired I am. So let's hope today goes well. I'm just waiting for my team now, so I'll get back to you when they're here. We're about to start shooting. Let's see what happens. I've got some green light, I've got some pink light, and I've got some white light. And I got my Lensbaby. Focus on me. Focus on me. No, no. Focus on me. Oh, daar ben ik. Okay. One thing I haven't mentioned yet is that when you're using this lens and you want to get up close, do macro or do, you know, really close up beauty portraits, it has two little symbols here. Let's see if it'll focus on it. Hello, hello, no? Okay. Two little symbols here. It's a flower and a mountain. The flower means up close, the mountain means far away. And what you do, flower has an arrow up, so what you do is you just pull it up, and now you can shoot up close. And then if you want to shoot further away again, you push it back in. It's as simple as that. You guys!
This was my day!
This was my day! Love it!
I had a lot of pain today, but I tried to push through it. I hope you enjoyed it. That's what you're gonna say. Just the truth.
Shall I come
Toch?
with you?
Maybe, maybe. I'm just gonna put all of this in the video and then I don't have to say anything.
Oh, is this playing now?
It's already recording. Just gonna put all of this in. It's gonna be lovely.
Fun times. Like, come near you so that I can actually be in the frame.
So, hello! We finished shooting. We did another set with Tino, but that's unfortunately the set with Tino it's not in the video
PG-13
because she was naked, and so I cannot put it on the YouTube because I will get striked. So let's not do that. But
and we're not trying to get Josefien deleted from YouTube.
So, end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned a bit about the Lensbaby and that you got inspired to do cool stuff yourself. Do you have anything to say, Ashley?
No, it was an amazing day. Thank you again to the model.
Yes, she was awesome.
She was fun.
Thank you to this beautiful
creature
of wonderful magnitudes. And
I'll put Ashley's link in the description and the model's link as well, so you can look them up. I'll even put Tino's link in the description because you might want to work with her.
Look at this beautiful
check
woman.
it down below, and we will see you in the next video.
See you next time.
Will we? Who knows? Bye.
Like, subscribe, God damn you.
If you don't, I'll come and find you.